So it's time for an ADC update. Did say I was going to do them weekly, but I just couldn't be bothered and I've been busy with work, so yeah. Really like the new job though. There's no two-faced arse-licking gobshites at this job, so good stuff. Anyway, we'll get straight into the ADC. Got a bandana. Always going to have a bandana. Got a little pocket first aid kit. It's got band-aids, absorbing pads, and some burn shield. Phone, same as one I've had since 2019 or 2018 or whatever. Huawei, it's a phone, does phone things. Not interested in the slightest bit. Still got the JLab headphones. Watch, still the Casio. It's the GA 1100. Awesome watch. Got a knife. Same old Hiwo Nakomi I've had for years. Multi-tool. Gave a MP600. And a Triovax Contour wallet. And a flashlight, which is a Phoenix TK 11 TAC. That's what I carry on my person. I'll get into the bag now. So the bag is the Maxpedition Sitka. So I keep in the bag, I've got a crop finder, stainless steel canteen, first aid kit, just got a eye wash, afterbite, bandage, Israeli field dressing, and then just a load of absorbing pads. And I did have a big burn shield thing in here as well. I took it out because I wanted to put it in a Ziploc bag so it doesn't go into the rest of the first aid kit if it bursts. I forgot to put it back in, but whatever. Solar power charger and a cable, a spare 18650 battery, Nightcore HC33 light, headband for it, Sony a6000, so I do street photography at lunchtime for a hobby, spare battery for the camera. And I am trying to do street photography videos. I've got another YouTube channel for that, but I haven't uploaded any videos. I'm trying to get back into it, but got a little GoPro 14, just came out this year. Tiny little thing. Weighs next to nothing as well, so only shoots in 4K though, which isn't really a problem. Doesn't have any image stabilization built into it, but it stabilizes itself once you download the videos onto your phone. It stabilizes it automatically, so it's not a big deal. Anywho, that is my ADC for this week.